Lifting weights is one of the most powerful things that you can do to help prevent obesity and weight gain. See, when we lift weights, our muscles release these signaling molecules called myokines, which are like little messengers released from your muscles that tell your body to do things like burn fat, build muscle, and regulate your hunger. For example, lifting weights increases the release of a myokine known as irisin, which has been shown to be involved in the browning of white fat tissue, which makes it more metabolically active at rest, so you burn more calories. There's also the release of another myokine called interleukin-6, which in the context of muscle helps increase fat oxidation, as well as increasing glucose uptake by helping translocate the GLUT4 transporter to the cell membrane independent of insulin. GLUT4 is simply a protein that's necessary to help glucose come into the muscle cell. Without it, glucose can't get into the muscle and it can't be used for energy. There's also the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor after lifting weights, which helps you regulate appetite and reduce food intake by suppressing the actions of neuropeptide Y and agouti-related peptide, which are two powerful hunger-stimulating hormones in the brain. Lifting weights also increases the release of fibroblast growth factor 21, which is involved in fat metabolism and helps increase lipolysis to help mobilize fat for fuel. Lastly, there's also the release of a myokine called decorin, which inhibits the differentiation of fat cells, which just means that it prevents new fat cells from forming and supports new natural tissue. Lifting weights and building muscle is quite literally one of the healthiest things that you can do to stay in shape and help you prevent weight gain. By the way, if you have goals around losing body fat and building muscle, comment the word blueprint on this post and I'll DM you a link to download my free ebook, which will teach you about the fundamentals of nutrition, training, and lifestyle to help you lose fat and build muscle in a healthy and sustainable way. Peace.